Hi, today we're going to be taking opening look at Entry Play My Little Pony CCG, the collector card game, not the TCG, not trading card game, but it's the collector card game, so it's a CCG. My Little Pony 12 card booster pack, the PREMiERE Series 1. Where did I get this at? The dollar store. You used to be able to get it at Walmart. Definitely you used to be able to pick them up at Target, which now Walmart and Target, they don't sell them anymore. Don't know why. I mean, Target still should be selling them, but for some reason Target really doesn't carry them anymore. Toy Wiz has them, and they kind of have like the newer series packs. So definitely, toywiz.com, you can check them out. Link down below in the description. Amazon has them again. Link down below in the description. eBay should have them, but if I don't really like to shop eBay. If I were to put it up at, one of those things, probably, Toy Wiz or Amazon. But, for these, older series packs, like the PREMiERE and the Candlelight Night ones and stuff, definitely, I go over to dollar store and put them up. I mean, come on, it's only $1. I mean, if you put them up at Toy Wiz and Amazon, I guess, eBay, but, yeah, I don't like eBay. Just don't like how eBay wants their stuff. Yeah, it's definitely going to cost you a lot more. I mean, the packs are like about $3, and then you got to pay another like $5 for shipping and wait all that time. So yeah, sure they might have the newer series out, but for $1 for the other ones, I'm okay with that. But yeah, anyway, yeah. I mean, you could also get them on entryplay.com. The main place that makes and sells them, but you have to buy them in a case. So yeah, so if you just want a couple booster packs, unfortunately, Entry Play, they don't really sell like 1 or 2 single booster packs. You kind of have to buy a whole entire case of them. But yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. Don't know why this one actually has a sticker on the back for the barcodes. Usually they don't have like this little sticker right here. But yeah, that's something that's kind of new that I've just seen right now. Anyway, yeah, because I mean, usually you just have the barcode like this. This one actually has a big old sticker on it. So yeah, that's something odd. But yeah, they're also made by Hasbro. So yep, let's open it up and take a look and see what we got in here. So I can fix it, which is our starting problem. So not only is this a problem card, it's our starting problem. 174 common. Emerald green earth pony 12 common. Yellow Parasite troublemaker 160 common. Blue jay critter friend or friend critter 81 common. High spirits Pegasus 44 common. Then we have the problem with Parasite, which is 166 common. Applejack Earth Pony 25 common. Pinput Unicorn. This one actually has the ability called Random. 47 rare. Rainbow Dash Pegasus has a main phase. F for foiled, number 9, and as you can see, this is foiled, which is kind of weird because in the other pad, you watched the other video, you see that we had another card that was foiled, but it didn't say foiled, so it didn't have the F. I mean, where is it from the other pet? Yeah, right here. Heart's Desire. As you can see, that is a foil card right there. And all it says is that it's ultra rare. Well, here you can see that it is a foil card and it says F for foiled number 9. So, don't know one or the other one. The resource asset Heart's Desire just said, what did it say? Ultra rare. It should have been F or FUR for, foiled ultra rare. Yeah, I don't really understand what that was all about. But anyway, moving on with this. Lead Pony Badge. Resource Asset. 140. Uncommon. Ways This Barn. Problem card. And it is 189 uncommon. And then we have Rarity. Unicorn. Inspiration is its ability. 77 uncommon. So not a bad pull here. I mean, we did get, oh, this one has Stubborn for its ability. Forgot to mention that one for Applejack. So a main character, foil main character, so a couple main characters with special abilities. Not really a bad pull here, pretty great pull that we have gotten from this pack. So yeah, that has been, the opening of Entry Play, Hasbro, My Little Pony, CCG, Collector Card Game, Troll Card Booster Pack, the PREMiERE series. Again, links to, Entry Play, Toy Wiz, Amazon. I probably won't use a link to eBay just because I don't like eBay. So don't look for the eBay link. But the other three, definitely, links down below in the description. And remember to rate, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell. Alright, thanks, bye.